December 17th, 2018. The holiday season is upon us, and it's 0 hour at Santa's workshop. As the sleigh is loaded in preparation for the one day that Amazon's delivery business model is reduced to child's play, Santa Claus's operation is in full swing. But just how much does it cost to run Santa's workshop? The team at True Luxury Travel crunched the numbers, and this is what they found. On average, each child that celebrates Christmas will receive 16 presents. The production cost of a single toy averages $2.87. With 900 million children in the world celebrating Christmas, Santa has $41,368,320,000 in toy production costs alone. The next is staffing the operation. Though the elves work hard and work fast, and their nimble fingers increase production efficiency, Santa still needs to employ 132,000 elves to meet production goals. Including salary, insurance, and other employee costs, Santa is on the hook to pay about $60.6 thousand per elf, or about $8 billion in wages. And that doesn't even account for whatever Santa has taken for himself, or if he even has Mrs. Claus on the payroll, despite her many contributions. Santa's shop requires a lot of power. With an operation that spans 5.6 million square meters, if you consider gas and electric at about 7.6 cents per kilowatt hour, he's using about 220 kilowatt hours per square meter. That works out to about $95 million. Food, homeowners insurance, and luxuries like Wi-Fi up at the North Pole are going to come in around $1.37 billion. Upkeep on the sleigh is a relative bargain. Tax, insurance, and inspections for the lone vehicle in Santa's fleet are going to cost about $1,200 per year. Feeding and caring for the 8 reindeer costs about $31,000 per year. And finally, after such a long night of work, he's going to need to clean his suit, which works out to about $37 a year, as long as, he has a coupon and remembers his ticket. All in, total operating costs at the North Pole reach $50,849,194,815.61 every year. So the least you could do is leave the old man some cookies, maybe a nice scotch. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now. Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!